Introducing Stepan's Biosoft DR-13, a high-performance nonionic surfactant that is readily biodegradable and exhibits low aquatic toxicity. Ideal for outdoor cleaning applications, Biosoft DR-13 qualifies for use in U.S. EPA Safer Choice certified products. It meets the agency's stringent direct-release screen and is listed on clean ingredients, which saves a Safer Choice formulator time and money. With this qualification, manufacturers can use Biosoft DR-13 in their cleaning and degreasing products, on building exteriors, vehicle surfaces, and a variety of other outdoor surfaces. In addition to its favorable environmental profile, Biosoft DR-13 provides excellent cleaning of greasy and oily soils and exhibits fast wetting. For your convenience, Stepan has developed a number of starter formulations designed to address the EPA's Safer Choice criteria for outdoor use. Visit Stepan's website to get details on these formulations and other product information, and to request a sample of Biosoft DR-13. As a recipient of multiple U.S. EPA's Safer Choice Partner of the Year awards, Stepan is committed to offering sustainable solutions to the cleaning industry. Turn to Stepan as your partner in solving formulation challenges.